Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. Today we're on a Router Bob out and about trip in Columbia, Maryland at Hatch Exhibits. We're going to sit down with owner Chris McCormick and hear his ShopSabre CNC success story.
But we're going to keep it short, right? I mean, this is way tougher than I thought it was going to be. He's like, he ain't getting it. My wife and I met at a smaller event in exhibit firm about 14 years ago. We were there a number of years. We went on to a couple other event and exhibit firms, and then finally decided it was time to start our own. And when we started that, we were a real small operation, just the two of us, but we knew right then that we needed to base our process on a digital manufacturing model that kept our overhead low with employees and put that investment into technology first, and that's what we built our foundation off of. We built Hatch on the concept of digital manufacturing, which is taking our ideas, turning them into a solid model in the computer, and then taking that solid model to the CNC equipment for physical production. Once the parts come off the CNC machine, it goes to our fabrication team for final assembly and finishing. That's where they'll apply the digital graphics and prepare the booth for shipment to the final destination. 4 years into this, we have over 15 employees. We've doubled in size every year since we've started, and none of this would have been possible without our ShopSabre CNC router. One of the unique aspects of the exhibit industry are the turnaround times. One project that comes to mind is one we did for Under Armour for their holiday display in Chicago. From the time they signed the job order to when we actually had to have it installed was about 6 days, and the only way to do that is to bring as many portions of the project in-house as we possibly can. Once companies know that you can do that, they'll keep coming back, and that's been the key for our doubling in size every year since we started. Our unique business model allows us to work with a wide range of clients and on a variety of projects. In addition to trade shows and special events, we also do a lot of work for museums, new sets, retail and corporate environments, and restaurants. I chose a ShopSabre CNC because I'd had some previous experience running one of the machines. The parts that came off the machine were fantastic. The technical support and the customer service were more than I could have wished for. And 4 years after running the machine, I come in day after day and I know that machine is going to do what I need it to do. It is probably the most dependable employee that I have.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video.
I got one more thing I want you to take a peek at. Come on here and follow me. Take a look at this. Our digital manufacturing process allows us to share our designs and our concepts with our clients in an augmented and virtual reality methodology, so they can see what they're going to get before we've actually started to cut parts.
Wow, that's unbelievable, Chris. Hey, thank you so much for letting us come into your company today.
It was a pleasure.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.